Hello, what I have for you today is this DOM S. It's a 5-pin pin tumbler lock with some interesting pins inside, mainly DOM rattlesnakes, which is not that trivial to pick. And it's actually quite fun, so let's try it. Okay, counterclockwise tension, 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is binding. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. Click out of 4. 5 seems okay. 1 good, 2 good, 3 good. Click out of 4. 5 is good. 4 is good. Small click out of 3. 1 is binding. One is okay. Click out of 2. 3 feels good. Click out of 4. Click out of 5. Small click out of 4 and rotation of the core. 3 feels good. Click out of 2. How about 1? Small click out of 1. Click out of 2. Let's go to the back. Some rotation of the core. 5 feels good. Some click out of 4. 3 is good. Click out of 2. 1 seems good. 2 seems good. 5 seems good. Click out of 1. And after touching 5, we've got an open. This lock feels a little bit like asa barrels to me, at least these rattlesnake pins. It makes sense because asa barrels are like a bit like serrated pins, and these rattlesnake pins are essentially somewhat like serrated pins. Alright, let's close it. Let's take a look what's inside. All right. Oh, that's perfect. I need to cut this euro. It's gonna be easier to cut. Oh. Alright, follower key, tweezers. Okay, I think we've got everything. Does that fit? Looks like it. Great. Alright. Fortunately, I know what should be which, what should be where. Yeah, I messed up because of this. I forgot that's how it looks like. I should have rotated the core a little bit. That's number 4. That's 5, that's 3. Oh, not really. This destroyed some springs, I think. I do have some down springs, fortunately. That's 5 right here. Okay, 4 was a long rattlesnake, 2 was a short one, and like that. That was a bit messy, but it's okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's get close up. The core is nothing special, just normal down core. But the pins are quite cool. there's one wafer in this lock, but I can't take it out without losing the functionality of the key. Alright, as for the pins, we have 2 torpedoes here and 2 rattlesnakes. These rattlesnakes are actually quite interesting. They consist of a rod inside with all of these rings. They are a bit like wafers, and they have some freedom of movement. So they get stuck a little bit when they pass the shear line. I think you have to just trust me. Yeah. A bit like threads. They remind me of asa barrels from the most of all the other locks. You just have to jiggle test it and be patient pretty much with the lock until you get an open. Alright, I think that's it. In that case, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.